Hello, party people. Hello, it's Randy for Thunderhorse Descendant. Today, tonight I should say, I thought, I'm sitting here and it's pretty late. I thought, why don't I show you guys how to attach some, this is deerskin leather to make a long necklace. So I already have my necklace portion put together, and I've put it together. I've got the little horseshoe, got it all crimped up, ready to go. So this is going to be the long portion, but I want to make it long, and I want to use this leather, and I want to use this as a stopper bead. So first things first, what I need to do is I'm going to measure this out. So I want this to be about 30 inches long, maybe a little longer. Let's see what we got. Got 18 there. So I'm going to get another foot. So I'll actually need 2 feet. I'm going to use 2 feet of this leather. It doesn't have to be exact because you are also going to tie a knot in it. So I'm going to give an additional 4 inches for that. So this is what we end up with. I'm just going to take this and make sure that they're even. Give it a snip. Alright, so this is what I have. I'm going to move you up a little bit further so you can see everything here. So what I have is, this is just a beads landing little tiny crimper, or a hole punch. Actually is used for metal most of the time, but in this particular scenario, I'm going to fold this over. I'm going to do about 1/2 inch, and I'm just going to find the middle. And I'm going to poke through, and then on this side that was on the bottom, just going to give it another little punch here. So cut that off with my flush cutter because I'm going to use these itty bitty teeny tiny rivets. These are snap rivets. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this other side and I'm just going to line it up and punch through so that it's the same. Make sure they're good in there. Cut off this little extra piece. There we go. Alright, so now I have that cut. What I'm going to do is I'm going to find myself a bronze, because I have bronze findings on here. I'm going to find myself a larger bronze jump ring. You could really use any size jump ring that you'd like. I'm just going to use a larger one because I want it to sit in here. Like so. Pretty flat. So I'm going to use that. First thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to attach this to my necklace. many. All right, so you got it on your necklace. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this through. And when this is laying, I want it to lay this way. So with your rivet, this little flat part is the back. So you want that to be in the back. You just put it through your 2 holes and you put on the little snap on top. And you're going to hear it click in. And do the same thing to the other side. Just like so. Okay. I didn't trim that one off good enough with my flush cutter. And we don't want any extra leather hanging out because it makes it hard for the top, the snap top, to get hammered down correctly. So I just give that a little snip. Try it again if at first you don't succeed. And then you go in with the top. Click it and you're going to hear it. Alright, so that's what we got. And we have to just checking how everything is laying. So this one's laying okay for some reason. Yeah, we'll be okay. Okay, so metal block. I don't normally do this up here on my table, but for today, we're going to do it. So you might bounce around a little bit. All you got to do is flatten this out. Usually a couple little hits will do that, so I didn't think that would be a big deal. There we go. All right. So I'm just trying to get this to focus. There we go. When you give these a couple little hits, since they're those snap rivets, they squish up pretty easy. So there you have that. Now I'm gonna take this bead. Now honestly, this one might even be, it's a wide hole bead and it might be a little bit even wide for this. You kind of want a snug fit, but I figured it will probably be okay once I get this in there. I'm just putting both the ends in here. Yeah, it'll be fine. And then I'm just going to tie a overhanded knot, just like you're tying a balloon, in the end of this. Just kind of scoot it up here a little bit. Ooh. Pull on your knot, make sure it's all good. And that is so your bead won't come off. So now you can adjust your necklace to however long you want it to be. So there is your necklace. It gives you an adjustable length with the bead. pretty easy. Gives your necklace a little something extra, especially for summertime. Leathers and lighter fabrics are always really good for summer. So that's what I'm doing tonight. If you have questions, comments, or concerns, please leave those in the comments section. Don't forget to give this video a like, share. You can subscribe to my videos by clicking my logo. That will help you to subscribe so you'll be notified when I'm putting up new videos. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.